Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert euros to US dollars in Interactive Brokers. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Management section where you will find the Trading tab. Under that tab, look for the Currency Conversion option. When you select Currency Conversion, you will see the current exchange rates. Make sure to check if the rate is favorable before proceeding. Enter the amount of euros you want to convert to US dollars in the designated field. Then, select the option to convert to US dollars. You may also have the option to convert at the current market rate, or set a limit order for a specific rate. After entering your transaction details, review the summary to confirm that everything is correct, including the amount to be converted and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to execute the conversion. Wait for the confirmation message to ensure that your transaction has been completed successfully. Finally, you can check your balance to confirm that the US dollars have been added to your account. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.